Hi guys, this is Kanuj from CandyTech and today we are going to do a review for G.Skill KM570 mechanical keyboard. G.Skill KM570 is priced at $99 or in Indian rupees it will cost around rupees 7500. The keyboard comes with a really decent build quality and it has got soft touch keys and it feels a bit rubbery and your fingers will not ache when you're typing on this keyboard. There is red LED backlighting, there is no other color, so you'll have to live with the red LED lighting. And the keyboard comes with definitely really good build quality. Overall feel and touch is really nice on this keyboard. The keyboard has got anti-ghosting and it has got full and key rollover, so if you are gaming and you're pressing a lot of keys together, definitely it is not going to hang in the middle like most of the membrane keyboards does. There are Cherry MX red keys which offer great typing experience and not too much of actuation force is required to type on this keyboard. The KM570 weighs around 1.25 kg and it comes with 2 years of warranty. There is a dedicated numeric pad. If you are used to typing numbers on the numeric pad, then definitely it is going to be an added advantage. There is no palm rest with this keyboard, but we get some of the dedicated keys at the top of the row where you get the volume keys, and there are some function keys which I'll explain later. The keyboard feels very heavy and very sturdy on the desk. If you're gaming or if you're typing, definitely it looks strong and sturdy. At the back you have got two hinges where you can raise the keyboard slightly, and there are some rubber pads attached to it which helps to make the grip better. The wire is really good, it's braided cable and it's quite long also if your keyboard is far away from your desk. So now let's do some testing on the top function keys which are present there. I'll move the camera closer for you to see. You can open My Computer, Browser, Email, Calculator, Market directly from the function keys. You can even play, pause, forward, stop, track using the function keys. These are the volume keys and you can increase or decrease or mute the volume directly from here. There is also a dedicated macro key. If you are into recording macros, then definitely you can do that. Let's try some of these keys and see how they work. So opening the My Computer, then let's open the browser directly. So work seamlessly and easy. KM570 don't come with any software. Initially I was a bit surprised because usually mechanical keyboards come with some software and you can create your profile and edit it. This one doesn't work that way. It has all the things pre-programmed and you can use that by plug and play only. The typing speed on this keyboard is really good. I got around 40 to 45 words per minute, which is almost the best which I get on a MacBook Pro or a different Dell laptop. Let me show you some of the lighting effects on this keyboard. There are plenty of lighting effects and I really liked the lighting effects, and it's pretty easy to activate them using the function key and the mode key there. You can increase or decrease the intensity of light also, and you can do that by pressing the function key and the down key or the up key. You can also speed up or you can reduce the speed of lighting effect by means of pressing the function key and the right or left arrow key. So now we have reduced the speed of lighting effect. So you can press the right arrow key and you can speed up the lighting effect. Let's check out the keyboard in the night, and here is the keyboard in the absolute darkness, and you will really like the way the keyboard looks. You can set up the different lighting effects based on your own preference. Coming to the key question, whether you should buy it or not, definitely it's a good keyboard for rupees 7500 or $100, and if you didn't find any issues with the keyboard, and for the money it's a great value product. Thanks for watching guys. Kanuj from Candy Tech.